Hey everyone, welcome to Master None Garage. I'm Andrew. Quick video today, new project. So here's the new project. It's a 1990 Chevy 2500 single cab long bed, with no tailgate, with no tail lights, with a lot of rust, with a bashed in windshield, oh, there's no battery. Oh, there's a lot of rust over here. You're not supposed to be able to do this. Oh, let's look on the interior. Maybe that'll be better. Well, pretty nice interior. Actually, really nice. Like, carpet on the dash. It's got 134,405 miles. It still has the center thing. That's, I haven't seen one of them in a while. It's got a tear on the seat. That's a shame. Well, I'm gonna have to ponder what I'm gonna do with this. Well, I thought about it, I pondered it, and I'm pretty sure I made a good decision. She gone. Yeah, so I sold it. Too much work, and I have too many projects right now. Sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet and get rid of it, and that's what I did this time. So thanks for watching this little short episode. I wanna work on this thing. I wanna work on it really bad, but that's probably another episode. That's probably a future episode. So feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.